I was planning on vlogging every single day para ma-practice yung vlogging skills ko. Nakakatawa, nakakumpleto ako ng isang linggo na pag-vlog. Although hindi ko pa na-edit lahat ng mga binlog ko. Stay tuned for that. Nakakatuwa na nakakalungkot. There's a lot of highs and lows in this week. So last week, one of my goal is gusto ko makaharap ng bagong client. And at the same time, gusto ko rin makapag-vlog. So, I feel that I did a pretty good job vlogging every day. And there were times na medyo challenging kasi parang iniisip ko, isasama ko pa ba tong footage na to? Parang naulit na to nung the day before. But it's pretty much my reality. Like, ganito lang talaga paulit-ulit yung buhay ko ngayon. Even yung breakfast ko, which is banana slices, paulit-ulit lang din. May mga times na parang nawawalan ako ng pag-asa, pero every time na that thought enters my mind, niisip ko na lang na may plano sa Lord for me, and that malalagpasan ko din tong phase na to. So, kailangan ko lang talagang lumaban and have faith. Marami akong kailangan gawin today. Kailangan kong manood ng online church. Kailangan kong mag-prepare ng another weekly goals for the upcoming week ahead. And kailangan ko rin mag-vacuum. And I have to write a script. And also, if may time pa, kailangan ko mag-edit ng mga vlogs na ginawa ko last week. So, yeah, samahan niyo ako sa araw ko ngayon. I have a question. Kailan ninyo minimake yung bed ninyo? Like, after you wake up? Or, like, in my case, inaayos ko lang siya pagkakain ko ng breakfast. Kasi, after breakfast, I don't want to sit around. Gusto ko maglakad-lakad. Parang tinatake advantage ko yung time na yun to make my bed. So, hindi ko siya inaayos right after I wake up. Like, I think most people do. So, comment down below. So, right now, bala ko sana mag-vacuum na, kaso I remember, hindi pa ako nakakapag-warm up. So, mag-warm up muna ako, guys, para hindi mabigla ang mga muscles. And, yeah, samahan niyo ako mag-warm up. So, usually, pag nag-warm up ako, yung talagang mabilisan lang talaga. Like, tina-target ko lang yung, like, itong arms ko, yung wrist ko, yung legs ko, and yung hips ko. And yung lower back din. Kasi I found out na kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng back pains because hindi natin masyadong nasi-stretch itong lower back natin. Kaya ako sineseryoso talaga yung pag-stretch ng lower back ko. Madalas kong ginagawa to kasi it feels so good. Itong hip circles or hip rotation. And also, one thing that I also do is ginagawa ko itong stretching na to for my wrist kasi ayoko magkaroon ng carpal tunnel and lagi kasi akong nasa desk ko, nag-work. It's either nag-edit ako or nagsusulat ako ng script and madalas ako mag-journal. So, kailangan ko talaga ng ini-stretch or wina-warm up yung mga wrist ko.
Main themes of this whole book of Exodus. Marami po tayong natututunan itong mga nakaraang linggo. But one of the most important themes about this book of Exodus is God's goal in setting the Israelites free was so that they would know who God is. Para makilala
Sino ba sa inyo yung may ganyang vacuum na heavy duty, na super bulky na vacuum? It's me. Actually, I've been using this for years na, and ako kasi yung tipo na hanggat hindi pa siya nasisira, hindi ko siya papalitan. Pero if tuluyan na talaga siyang masira, ang gusto ko sana is yung Dyson cordless vacuum kasi it looks so convenient na gamitin compared dito kasi although okay naman yung ganitong heavy duty na vacuum, medyo mahirap siyang gamitin. And also, one thing I like about using vacuums instead of yung walis, anong tawag doon? Walis tambo? Walis tambo ba yun? Yeah, walis tambo nga. Kasi yung walis tingting yung pang outdoors, diba? Sa walis tambo kasi, kailangan mo pang patayin yung electric fan na syempre mainit para hindi nililipad yung mga alikabok. Ito kasing vacuum, nahihigop niya lahat. So, mas gusto ko talagang gumamit ng vacuum. And also, madali akong magbahing kapag naglilinis ako. Pero nung nag-switch ako from walis to vacuum, medyo na-lessen na siya. And also, you know, I'm trying to make an effort na mas magpaka-healthy ngayon para hindi ako lapitin sa sakit. Okay, so biglang hindi na gumana yung vacuum habang ginagamit ko siya. Bigla na lang siya nag-off kahit hindi ko pa siya tina-turn off. And madalas na itong nangyayari every time I use it. Ligpit ko lang muna itong vacuum. Kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng kusina ngayon. Babalik na ako sa pag-i-edit and mag-schedule lang ako ng isa pang video and gagawa muna ako ng thumbnail for that. Medyo iba yung workflow ko ngayon when it comes to creating YouTube videos kasi most of the videos that I'm doing right now is puro mga vlog style. So parang it's like follow me around. It's not like yung sitting and talking in front of the camera. So, usually kasi kapag sit-down videos yung ginagawa ko, inuuna ko yung paggawa ng thumbnail para it's out of the way and we all know na sobrang importante yung thumbnail. Pero kasi kapag vlog kasi, magagawa mo lang siya after. Sa vlog style kasi more spontaneous kasi hindi mo siya mapaplano talaga. Unless siguro meron kong maisip na idea, I don't know. Gagawa muna ako ng thumbnail and I'll see you guys later. On second thought, siguro dapat pinagpaplanuhan din kahit vlog style yung video kasi paano kung yung vlog mo doesn't really have a good screenshot, you know? Wala kang screenshot na maganda. So, siguro I should do it next time. Narealize ko lang, ito yung kagandahan kapag when you wanted to do something tapos nag-take action ka sa gusto mong gawin, tinatry mong improve yung skills mo or tinatry mong gawin yung gusto mong gawin, marami kang matututunan. Like, ito, ngayon ko lang natutunan na parang, I've always thought na kapag vlog yung mga videos mo, parang only after shooting the video, dun mo lang makukuha yung pang thumbnail mo. Pero you can actually plan on doing it beforehand, before ka mag-shoot ng vlog. So, I think ganun na lang yung gagawin ko. Okay, so I just checked all of my to-do list for today and it's only like 3:45 p.m. and I was thinking of adding more for the sake of being productive bago mag-dinner time, but naisip ko, why not celebrate? It's a Sunday afternoon and I really wanted to watch something. Like, I really wanted to watch a movie or a documentary. So, bahala na. Feeling ko, I deserve it. And bukas is a Monday naman, so kakayod ulit. So, why not give this moment for my me time? So, total naman na gawa ko na lahat ng mga to-do list ko. And do you ever feel like that as well? Like, na kumpleto mo na lahat yung to-do list mo for the day is gusto mo pang mag-add for the sake of doing something productive. Kasi alam ko naman na kailangan may balance, kailangan may work-life balance, and sometimes you really need to take a break. So, right now, my heart really wants to watch a movie or a documentary. So, yun ang gagawin ko ngayon. So, let's see kung ano papanorin ko.